Welcome back. Today we're going to be building a Caddy GoCleanCo style. So I'm going to show you all the products that we put in our Caddy to take to clean clients' houses. That being said, some of these products might not work for your home, so just make sure that you do some research before you invest the money in them. But this is what we use and carry around every single day, and I'll show you why we use them and why they've earned a spot in our Caddy. First up is Mr. Clean Summer Citrus. So it comes in a really big jug. We get this at Costco, but you can buy it in smaller jugs at other places. But then we put it in a spray bottle so that we can spray it on like tops of cupboards or harden on food messes. So really we use this to cut heavy duty grease in the kitchen. That's really where we use it the most. Whereas like hood vents and I don't know, and if you have stuck on food on your floor around your pet bowl, if you spray this on it and let it sit for a couple minutes, it like wipes off like butter. So number one, Mr. Clean. Next up, for number two, we have our vinegar and Blue Dawn recipe. We do vinegar and some Blue Dawn in a spray bottle. This is a really good product if you don't like using too many harsh chemicals in your house, but just a reminder that vinegar is still a chemical, so you have to make sure that it's safe for your fixtures. We use this on shower doors and fixtures at lots of people's houses, especially if there's a really bad hard water buildup. That's number two. Up next, number three is Barkeeper's Friend. So we use this to polish stainless steel sinks. It's really good to buff out scratches out of any type of stainless steel. It takes off hard water staining. This stuff does a lot. It'll also clean hard water scale buildup in your toilets. It's pretty magical. It does a lot of stuff. Ooh, it'll clean pans too, like, you know, burnt on crusties on the bottom of a pan. This is just something, keep this underneath your sink. It's a good one. Well, actually, you're gonna keep it in your Caddy because I'm telling you how to build one. Next up is oven cleaner. So the blue can is called fume free and it is safe for self-cleaning ovens. So if you have a self-cleaning oven, this is the one that you want. The yellow can is heavy duty easy oven off, and this is going to work for non-self-cleaning ovens. This stuff is serious business. Wear gloves with both of them. Next up is bleach, and I shouldn't have to explain this. Bleach, pray, love. Next up is Dawn Power Wash. So we actually use this in a few creative ways. It's a really, really good degreaser, but when you're at home, it's great for cleaning pots and pans. It's good for cleaning the cooktop. We also use this sometimes in showers, on shower glass. It's just like anywhere that there's grease built up that you want to spray something and then let it sit and then scrub it, rinse it off. Wyman stainless steel spray. So we love this stuff. We prefer this bottle of it over the aerosol can and the wipes, just because there's you get more value for your bang for your buck if you buy this bottle. Plus, it's really good if you have heat transfer stains on your stove or your fridge. It'll get rid of any of that weird streaking that you think is there that you can't get off. People email us after we clean their houses and they're like, how did you fix my fridge? It's just this stuff. It's like $6. Windex. So we use this at the end of the clean, or also just the end of the bathroom to polish out the sink if it has any streaks on it. We use a polish cloth with it. Also for glass, you'd be really surprised at how shiny it can make fixtures. It's safe on chrome fixtures. Just everybody needs a bottle of Windex, and don't cheap out, get the real stuff. So I have the Microban 24 aerosol spray. We use this to spray inside of our vacuums to help disinfect, and you don't have to rinse it off. You can rinse it off if you want to, but it creates a barrier and helps kill mold as well. So it's a really good thing to have around your house. We also have a Microban bathroom spray, which is up next. I'm gonna hit you with a couple of different bathroom cleaners because it's really your personal preference, but also what your bathroom is made up of. One cleaner might not be safe for one cleaner might be safe for your bathroom and the other one might not be. So read the labels before you buy them so you don't spend a bunch of money. And then the Mr. Clean Clean Freak. This is a relatively new product on the market, but we love using this stuff. It's a good degreaser, but it's also a really good everyday on your counter, to use it, grab it if you have a mess to clean up. So, and I love the spray bottle on it. It's not an aerosol spray, but it's a beautiful, listen to that. I don't even know, but I love it. And Powdered Tide, which is what basically put us on the map, I honestly love Powdered Tide for so much stuff. We use it on everything. So we use it to clean walls, we use it to clean floors, you can use it to clean a bathtub, you can use it on grout, you can use it, honestly, it's very versatile. I know that it might seem like an investment to buy a box of it. We use a teaspoon at a time. It can replace a lot of cleaners. So you'd be really surprised at how economical it is to add this to your arsenal. And I usually just keep a little tiny scoop or a little tiny Tupperware bin of it underneath my sink so that it's on hand easily. And then I also use it for my laundry. So it's my favorite thing in the world. Now for our scrubbing products. So SOS pads, we use these on the insides of ovens, and we use it for like stovetop grates, the tops of ovens, or the tops of like glass stoves. We have a Scotch-Brite sponge. We can use this in the kitchen, but we also will use it like the soft side of the sponge, not the scratchy side of the sponge, on inside showers. Floor scrub brush for scrubbing grout. These are our famous scrub brushes that you can only get in Canada. I know everybody loves them, but we haven't found a like comparable US dupe for them yet. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, they have original, bathroom. The bathroom ones are awesome, and the kitchen ones are awesome also for like a glass cooktop that has really cooked on burnt crud on it. And then we like the Scrub Mommy. We like the Scrub Daddy too, but we're a women-run business, so we like to stick with the Scrub Mommy. Next up is a horsehair brush. This is one of our favorite attachments that we have for vacuums. You attach it to, it's a universal attachment, but still make sure you measure your vacuum hose before you order one. And it's so good for like dusting baseboards. It's actually really good on furniture too. And then obviously Swiffers. We have the extender because we like this so that we can get up to the top of fans and high to reach places, but you can also make it short. This is also good if you can't like bend down or anything like that. Good to get underneath the fridge and the stove. The Aqua Blade. This is amazing for windows. So it's like we have tall, it goes extra long as an extender, and we have a short and a small one. You can use this on your shower glass, your exterior windows, and your interior windows because it has like a catch drip tray. You can even see my dirty drips in here. Grab rags, these are the rags that we use to just like wipe, clean, scrub everything down. Get these at Costco in the auto aisle, or you can get them on Amazon if you don't have access to a Costco, but they're definitely the cheapest at Costco. And then we use rubber gloves to protect our hands, and masks if you're working with any like heavy duty chemicals like oven cleaner or you're cleaning a bathroom. We always wear a mask. Then we have our carbon cloths, which are really good. We call these polished cloths, but they're actually called a carbon tough cloth, and you can use them with water or you can use them with Windex to like polish mirrors, glass, and like faucets, anything like that. Electronics, really good for a TV, but you don't use Windex on a TV, you just use water with this. It'll get rid of fingerprints and stuff. And of course, paper towel. And then extra bonus, we don't always carry these all the time, but like one person on the team always has this stuff. So it's Iron Out. If you have really, really hard water staining, which is kind of like orange staining in your toilets, it will totally fix it if you pour some of this in it. And then we have Lime Out, which is really good if you have like bad calcium mineral buildup. That's like light, crusty stuff that you can feel on your shower glass or like in your shower door tracks. It will lift it off. It'll work in toilets too, but yeah, these are two really good things, but it's more if you're on a well or you just have really, really hard water. Moving on to the machinery that we use to clean houses. So we always bring a carpet vacuum just because like we find that an upright carpet vacuum will work really good to get deep down into the carpets if they're filthy. And sometimes using like a combo vacuum just doesn't have the power for it. So we have a carpet vacuum. We have plenty that we like. We constantly are switching these out because we get them sent to us all the time. So it's really fun to test them all. Then we have the Bissell Zing. This is like a really good vacuum that all of us carry around. It's super lightweight, like it's easy, and we use it for baseboards, we use it for like window ledges, we use it for hard floors. Every single one of the cleaners has one of these because it just like is really great suction, and it's a very economical vacuum. It's like cheap to buy, and it works so good. I've been using this from the beginning of time. Then the Vileda. It's called Vileda in Canada, and then it's O-Cedar in America. So it's the same mop. It's a spin mop. It has a pump pedal on it. Oh, look at that. And then you also, we always just have like backup mop heads. So once your mop head gets dingy and dirty, you can just switch it out. We link these on our Amazon store. They're one of our best-selling items. People love this mop. Now that we've rounded up everything that we have in the GoCleanCo Caddy, just a reminder to make sure that like all of these products are safe for your house before you invest the money into them, because cleaning products are expensive. But thanks for tuning in. If you want to build a caddy just like us, you can do it now. So make sure you like and subscribe and leave any comments below. I think we're gonna try and link everything in the description too.